Hi everyone, in today's video I'm just gonna show you कि आप एक setting spray, setting mist किस तरह से use कर सकते हैं. So here I have three kind of setting mist from Sugar, highlighting, matte finish and dewy finish. So they come in black packaging just like this with a spray pump. So in this video I'm just gonna show you कि आप एक mist को कैसे अलग-अलग तरीके से use कर सकते हैं. So let's get started. So here I have three of the mist. So ये जो video है different दिनों में shoot की है, so that's why the outfit is changed. So first I'm taking the highlighting mist. So इसमें golden particles हैं mist में जो कि actual आपको glow देता है. So you can use it as base, like as a primer for your foundation. So यहाँ पे मैंने highlighting mist लगा लिया and you can see the actual glow on my face. And then I am putting some foundation and I'm just blending the foundation. ये आप तब use कर सकते हैं highlighting mist underneath your foundation when you really want your foundation to glow. Especially for parties and stuff. And then I'm using this dewy setting mist on my eyeshadow, like for my eyeshadow, and I'm spraying it on my eyeshadow brush. And इस brush से फिर मैं लगाऊंगी eyeshadow. So here I'm using a foiled eyeshadow. अगर आप इस तरह से eyeshadow लगाते हैं then your eyeshadow will last longer and you can also skip your eye primer as well. And now I'm just blending the eyeshadow, and now let's come to the third thing. So I'm just applying blush on back of my hand और यहाँ पे मैं dewy finish वाला ही spray कर रही हूँ and I'm just picking up that blush and applying it. आप देख सकते हैं एक बहुत ही अच्छा healthy glow आ गया है blush के साथ. And then I'm taking the highlighting mist again and I will be using it as highlighter. So I'm just taking that highlighting mist on my fingers and I'm just applying on my cheeks, and you can see the really nice dewy highlighting glow. Now here I'm setting my makeup with a matte fixing spray, and you can see how matte my skin is looking, glowing yet matte. So yeah, this is it. So that was a quick video. I hope आपको ये इस तरह की छोटी videos अच्छी लगी होंगी. Please let me know if you wanna watch more these kind of videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.